Big up everybody worldwide. It's your boy Clean Car Chris. Welcome back to my channel where it's all about car detailing with nothing but good vibes. Yeah man, today I'm out here taking care of my client's S580 Mercedes-Benz. Awesome vehicle. Maintenance details, so nothing too serious. But today guys, I'm gonna go over 5 different ways you can get detailing clients easily yet effectively.
Banger.
Alright guys, these tips are just not going to be in any particular order. We're just talking out here today guys, pretty candid, pretty casual. I would say the first tip I can give you guys to get detailing clients is to, obviously, once you start, reach out to everybody you know. Pull out your phone, hit up every contact you have, guys. I mean everybody. I'm not talking just family or friends. I'm talking about everybody having your contact. Call them directly, text them directly, or you can log on to your WhatsApp or whatever messaging app you guys have. Send out a broadcast message telling everybody, announcing really that you are now detailing cars and your services are now available. All right, guys, once you reach out to everybody, let them know that you're detailing now. Be mindful. People that you might expect to support you may not, right? But don't worry about that, guys. Don't be discouraged. Keep moving forward, right? You know what I'm saying? And trust me, personal experiences, the ones who you least expect would probably be the ones to give you a call. So with that said, guys, support doesn't always come in the form of money, or monetarily. Support can come in the form of, people liking your posts, sharing your posts, referring you. You know what I mean, guys? So, don't get caught up too much on the monetary aspect.
Go.
Alright guys, the wheels are done, so we're moving on to the rinse. And the second way you can get more detailing clients is to get all the social media, marketing and promotional items up and running. Guys, today is an era, of course, we're all living in social media. So you don't know, guys, set up your IG, your TikTok, your YouTube, whatever you prefer, but have a social media platform that you're gonna post regularly on. People wanna see your work, people wanna see what you do. You understand, guys? A good way to engage from your end to the client's end. You understand, guys? So you don't know, set up all this stuff. Business cards, guys. We're living in an era now too, like I said, people probably think business cards are not relevant anymore. Personally, business cards work excellent for me. I would say, guys, get some nice cards printed up. You know what I mean? But before you do that, you might want to get your logo. Get a nice logo set up, guys. You see mine? Clean Car Chris. I know if you guys check it out again. Check it out again. You understand, guys? Have a nice logo set up, man. So you can use that on all your promotional items like your business cards, flyers, brochure, whatever you prefer. You know what, guys? You can get business cards for pretty cheap, but I would say spend a little bit extra and get some good quality ones. First impressions matter, guys. When you hand over that business card, the customer wants to feel a nice, sturdy card in their hand. If you have those little flimsy ones that are probably not designed well, you know what I mean, you might not leave the best first impression. So I know everybody might be on a budget, but trust me, guys, spend that little extra is going to come back to you in the way of clients and details.
Hot like a fire girl. Hot like a fire girl.
Should I get some shirts that say that too? Foam time is the best time. That could be a good idea, guys. What do you guys think? Drop me some comments. Let me know what you think. man, while the foam is settling on the paint, breaking down all that grime and stuff, and we're going to do some brushwork, let's talk about the third way you can get some more detailing clients. Guys, once you have your promotional item set up and you reach out to all your contacts, you want to constantly promote yourself and promote your business. Guys, do not be shy or bashful to let everybody know on a constant basis what you're about. You understand, guys? In other words, instead of just having your friends and family members know what you do, everyone who you come into contact with on a regular basis, meaning the grocery people at your local grocery store, the gas station attendant, the postman, the garbage man, whichever local spots you hit up on a regular basis, guys, those employees there or anybody you in contact with there on a regular basis are supposed to know what you do. You understand? Pretty much, you want it to reach to the point where, hey, when they see you, they equivalent you and auto detailing. They know that you're the car guy. You understand? So when people see me walking around town, they know, hey, Chris, he offers auto detailing services. That's what he does. You understand, guys? That's how you want it to be. Don't be shy, guys. A lot of people these days might start their own thing, whatever business they're doing, and they have some reason where, or something is holding them back from constantly engaging with people and talking about what they do for a living or what they want, what product they're selling, what services they're offering. You know what I mean, guys? Constantly promote yourself. What's a good example, guys? Kind of goes back to what I was talking about a bit earlier. Work shirts, guys. I have so many Clean Car Chris shirts that I pretty much wear them all the time. And when I mean all the time, I mean when I'm not even working, when I'm running around town doing errands, I have on my shirt. When I'm going out, you know, to the bar after hours to have a one drink or whatever, I have on my Clean Car Chris shirt. You'd be surprised how many conversations it starts. I say, hey, Clean Car Chris, what is that? And then that's the icebreaker right there, guys. Hey, I'm Chris. I offer auto detailing services. Here's my number. Here's my business card. You get my drift, guys.
Let's get.
Alright guys, we rinsed off the vehicle, so the paint work is definitely ready for a nice, safe contact wash. With that said, moving along to the fourth way you can get more auto detailing clients is by, guys, conduct yourself professionally at all times. Man, I could elaborate on and on about this, but guys, you definitely want to communicate well with your customers. You definitely want to be punctual. You set an appointment, make sure you're there at that time. If you can't make it there at that time, communicate with them and be like, sir, ma'am, I'm running a bit late. I'll be there 20 minutes from now, for example. You know what I'm saying, guys? Always keep your appearance neat and tidy, guys. Your work truck has to be clean and tidy and organized. Always. You cannot pull up to your client's house in a dirty vehicle. What sense does that make, guys? I mean, we're in the detailing business. We are in charge of keeping people's automobiles looking their best. So therefore, we ourselves as detailers have to portray that also. Not only your work truck, guys. Personally, you got to keep yourself neat and tidy also. I don't care what your style is, guys. It can be whatever. But every style can have some neatness and professional look to it. There are potential customers out there that could be checking out what you're doing and you don't even know. You know how many times I've been detailing at a client's home and I picked up customers who live either right next door or down the street? It's because they're watching you, guys. They want to see if you're going to be the detailer for them. Okay guys, we rinse off the vehicle. It's nice and clean now, so it's time to hit the drying phase. So you don't know, I have my drying aid here, my drying towel, and while we're drying the vehicle, we're going to talk about the 5th way you can get more detailing clients. Guys, all I have to say is maintain a high level of integrity. You're probably wondering what I mean by that. This is what I mean, guys. For example, if you book a client in and the client wants your clear and seal service. Okay, client, fine, no problem. Make sure you clear the vehicle and you take all the necessary steps that you explained comes in that process. If you are gonna install, say, Geon ceramic coating for 5 years, 5-year coating, make sure you do not install a different manufacturer's coating that only lasts 2 years. Guys, this is a business, we're in an industry. In every industry out there in the world, there are dishonest business people. You understand, guys? Do not be one of those people. You're probably saying, well, that's pretty obvious, Chris. But guess what? It's not so obvious, guys. Provide the service that you and your customer agreed upon. Do the service to the best of your ability. You understand, guys? So, if you're just only doing a maintenance detail like I'm doing right now, do it to the best of your ability. Because guess what, guys? If you do a good job, the client may tell 1 or 2 people. If you do a bad job, the client might end up telling 10 or more people. Good news travels slow. Bad news travels extremely fast, guys. So, with that said, guys, do the best job you can possibly do. And, you know, we're all human, right, guys? And we do make mistakes. Like anybody else, guys, us detailers, we do make mistakes. Any detailer who tells you that they don't is absolutely lying to you, guys. But the whole point is, it goes back to what I was saying earlier. Communicate with your customer. If you know, while you're detailing a vehicle, you did something that may have damaged the vehicle by accident, explain what happened to your client. Be honest about it, because usually they're more than willing to work with you to solve the problem. You understand, guys? Hold a high level of integrity, guys. It will carry you a long, long way in character. Alright, my people, it's a wrap on the Benz. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys found it informative. If you guys follow these 5 ways to get more auto detailing clients, trust me, you'll be on your way to success. Trust me, guys. Keep it locked every Wednesday, 4 p.m. Like, share, subscribe, all of that.